Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Coda Octopus Group, a pioneer in real-time subsea intelligence and diving technology. Stay tuned as we break down their fiscal third quarter 2024 earnings, discuss the highlights, and explore what these results mean for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Coda Octopus Group reported a 12.0% increase in revenue for the fiscal third quarter of 2024, reaching $5.5 million. Operating income surged by 61.2% to $1.4 million, driven by higher gross profit margins and increased utilization of rental assets. The marine technology business saw a 6.5% revenue increase, while the marine engineering business grew by 19.8%. The company also reported a net income of $1.3 million and a strengthened balance sheet with a cash balance of $25.2 million.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter, TQ 2024, was $5.5 million, compared to $4.9 million in the same period last year, TQ 2023, representing a 12.0% increase.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The diluted earnings per share EPS for TQ 2024 was 0.11 cents, compared to 0.09 in TQ 2023.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Marine technology business products revenue was $3.1 million, a 6.5% increase from $2.9 million in TQ 2023. Marine engineering business services revenue was $2.4 million, a 19.8% increase from $2 million in TQ 2023.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The gross margin for TQ 2024 was 73.9% compared to 68.8% in TQ 2023.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
Operating expenses for TQ 2024 were $2.7 million compared to $2.5 million in TQ 2023.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Total assets, $55.9 million. Total liabilities, $3.1 million. Stockholders' equity, $52.8 million. Cash and cash equivalents, $25.2 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Increased efforts to penetrate the defense market with Echoscope and Davy technology. Continued efforts to identify acquisition targets under the M&A strategy.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Funding gaps in U.S. defense programs due to the upcoming presidential election. Delays in funding for ongoing programs such as the DAVD tethered and untethered systems.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Coda Octopus Group demonstrated strong performance in the fiscal third quarter of 2024, with significant revenue growth, improved gross margins, and increased operating income. The company continues to focus on strategic initiatives to penetrate the defense market and identify acquisition targets, positioning itself for future growth.
That's all for today's analysis of Coda Octopus Group's impressive Q3 2024 performance and strategic initiatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Coda is a good investment right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.